Today we're gonna talk about some low budget things that you could do to look high maintenance. So if that's what you are into, self-care, personal development, and looking high maintenance on a budget, then continue watching. This year is personal for me. I don't know about you, but this year is personal for me. It's about looking put together but on a budget. So I've learned to do almost everything that I need to do in terms of maintenance by myself. Make Google, YouTube your best friend, or even TikTok. Make those your best friend. I do a lot of videos on personal development and personal care. So you could scroll through my channel and you'll see videos on how to do different things. Alright, so the first thing that you could do to look high maintenance but on a budget, or even do it yourself, is lashes. Learn to use lash clusters. Learn to do your own lashes at home. And right now I am pulling up my lash set that I use. These are lashes that I use for when I am doing my makeup. Like when I don't have the lash clusters on, I use these lashes. Very voluminous, but this is not for everyday wear. This is a very full, very heavy, very like out there, like that's giving me birthday kind of vibe. But these ones are what I use for every day. I don't like to do my makeup for work every day. I'm sorry guys, I'm not one of those girls, because when I'm doing my makeup, I'm a trained makeup artist. And so when I'm doing my makeup, I don't skip any step. I'm so sorry. When I'm doing my makeup, I have to have my foundation, my highlight, my contour, highlighter, everything on. And so that takes a lot of time for me to do every single day. And even when I'm doing my everyday makeup, even though I might weigh down on some of the things that I apply in terms of the amount of foundation or concealer, I don't miss any steps nonetheless. Alright, so this is the lash set that I use, because when I have my lashes done, I look more put together, or you know, it kind of gives me the pass of not doing my makeup. So this is the set. These are the lashes, and of course these are what I have on now. These are the lashes, and it also comes with the bond, and it comes with the tweezer to apply the lashes. And of course I have videos on my channel where I am applying these lashes. So it also gives you the map for whatever style, like whatever look you want for your eyes. I usually start with the smaller length and go out. So I usually start with 9, probably go up to a 10, 11, 12 and out, to give me a little, you know, volume at the tips. So that's the first one. Learn to do your lashes. When you have your lashes on, nobody can tell you nothing. If you don't want to wear your makeup, your lashes done, then you're good. Alright, the next one too, if you have your brows done, your lashes and your brows done, and you have your little lip gloss, nobody can tell you nothing either, guys. Go ahead and fill in your brows. I was trying to get my brows microbladed or shaded. I think it microbladed, the natural look though. I really don't remember what they call them, but I'm still breastfeeding, lactating, so the girl said no, you can't do it, because it's like tattoo, you know guys, these last for like 3 years. I think it's a very good investment. So I decided, oh my god, probably afterwards, because I'm scared of tattoos, I'm scared of pain, I have very low pain tolerance. I have not, like all my piercings I did them myself except for these, but everything I do for myself, have no tattoos, scared of those things. And I made up my mind to go ahead and do the brows, but the girl said no, it can't be done. So probably that's a sign. Alright, so I've done brow tint before. I've done a video on brow tinting, even though it was a very long time ago. Back in the days I used to do videos on that kind of thing, heavy. I have one of those videos. It's still there, very much relevant. I'll probably do a new brow tint video, but you can always go on YouTube and find videos on how to do brow tinting if you have very sparse brows like I do. But I also know how to do my eyebrows, so you know, you could do that. You could also, right, and it's the lash brow. If you have a lot of brow, trust me guys, you need these brow gel. Very good. I use it. I don't have a lot of brows, but I use it, and when I use it, it's like what you do? Because there is not even any much grows for me to put up. They don't grow with the arches I would love for them to. The other one is, right, you know, if you're more hairy, use the brow gel. Alright, let's go on to the other tip that I have here, and it's like using press-on. So let me go for my press-on tool. So these are some that I got from Amazon. Trust me, I've bought different types, and this by far is the best one that I've seen. Most realistic set that I have seen. I like to get my nails done though. Out of all the things, I really can't do nails, but this is pretty easy. I'm gonna show them to you. Right guys, just look at this. How much more realistic does it get? It doesn't get, oh my god. It doesn't get, and it comes with 3, you know. So there's 2 more along with this one that fell out. I did a set. I don't think I did it too well though, because they broke off shortly after, and I'm not as patient. So I prefer to get my nails done by my nail tech, but these are options. You don't have to use the regular glue. You can use crazy glue, but if you don't want to use that kind of glue, like if you're going somewhere like for a one night, you could use those super glue. But other than that, you could use the Gel-X glue. Alright, and put it under the lamp for it to cure and last you some time. I usually get my nails done by my nail tech. So these are just backups for when like my nails are off and I want to have my nails looking put together. Those are some nails that you should have in your inventory of your personal care items. Alright, Frenchies make you look so classy. The last time when I went to do my nails, my toes, I always use Frenchies on them. And my toe, the girl was saying that my toenail is too short, it's not gonna look very nice. I knew it could be done, but I decided to go with a plain polish. And guys, I decided to go with the pink like my nails, and it just don't give me the vibe like the Frenchies do. So of course, I'll be going back to my Frenchies the next time I go. I was just thinking I'm always in French, why not change it up? But I changed it up and I want back my Frenchies. Alright, so always get your Frenchies, even if you don't do your nails, guys, even just cut them, buff them. Trust me, when you buff them and they look like in one order, you buff them and apply your clear polish. Nobody can tell you nothing. Your nails are put together just the same. So that's something that you could do. But there's nothing that I hate seeing more than dirty nails or cracked nails. They're not in line, they're not in, you know. So put your nails together. This is very low budget and it helps you look high maintenance, helps you look super put together. The next thing is learn at least one hairstyle. Guys, for me, my Pixie does it all the time. Yes, I do hair, but guys, when I wear wigs, I get so tired of the wigs. I'm not dissuading you from wearing wigs if that's your thing, or if you have natural hair and that's your protective style, then go ahead, but learn how to do at least one of these styles. Like, if you want to wear a wig, start with a closure wig. That's so much, like the 4x4 closure wig or 4x whatever closure wig, because it's so much easier to put on, like, just because the 4x4 it would just come to like here. Alright, so it's just so much easier to apply, or some of them you can just, they're glueless, so you can just put on and put the elastic in the back and it stays on. But at least learn to do one style and perfect that one style, and that's the style that you wear. I've come to realize that for me, that style is my Pixie, and I am wearing more of my Pixie and less wigs. I'm wearing more of my Pixies. My Pixies, I'm a perfect this. I know how to cut it down, I know how to dye it, I know how to curl it, everything about my Pixie, I know. So at any given time, my hair can always look kept because I know how to do that. So always, you ever hear they say your hair is your beauty, and that's a fact. So always have your hair look put together, and it makes everything else so much more easier to do. Alright, the next one, I've also done a hair calendar video because I told myself like for every month my hair is supposed to be slayed. But I made a hair calendar video just to give you guys some info because I think I'm gonna be done in my Pixie most of the time this year. I've realized that this is like the me. The Pixie is me. Yeah, Pixie is me and me is Pixie. But I've done a hair calendar so that you guys can use or just get the idea of creating your own hair calendar. So if you are not into hair, don't do hair a lot, you know that every month you're gonna go, this is what you need to put down to go and do your hair every month. Your birthday month coming up, this is how I'm gonna be doing my hair and this is what I need to get in order. A hair calendar. Love the thought of that. I'm gonna put it on the video so you guys can see. Alright, if you have natural hair, if your style is the twist out, then go ahead, learn how to do the twist out, learn how to perfect it, learn how to do little edges or whatever you need to do to put it in. If you don't like if you're not a baby hair kind of girl, go ahead and do your twist out. That is you. Buns, love buns. I am a bun girl. I love to put bun on my daughter. She has natural hair. And I also love the updo, and so I decided in my hair calendar that's what I'm gonna do for my birthday. So decide on what you like and just perfect. The fifth one that I'm gonna be talking about is your personal style. Like, are you a girl that likes to wear sneakers or are you a girl that likes to wear sandals or heels? Decide what you like to wear, what you feel most comfortable in, what suits your body, and just like your hair, you're gonna perfect that. That's what you're gonna always be seen in. Let me tell you something. When you feel most comfortable, then it shows on the outside. If you like to wear sneakers, then perfect a sneakers look. If it's a sneakers, if when you're dressing up, it's a sneakers and a dress pants and a vest, then perfect that look. If it's your sandals, then I don't know, a dress, whatever it is, with your sandals or a heels, your nice jeans and your nice little silk shirt and you have your heels on and little bag to the side, that's a look. But decide what it is that suits your body, what is it that you feel most comfortable in, and just rock that. Alright, so the last one that I'm gonna talk about is teeth whitening, and this is something that I don't practice, but it's something that I want to start practicing this year. And it's something I've seen the Crest white strips on Amazon and I've been iffy about it. Do they really work? Do they actually work? I don't know if any of you have ever tried it. Then go ahead and leave it in the comments. I go to dentists, but they don't do that. They don't do teeth whitening. I think that teeth whitening is kind of like on the cosmetic side. So probably if you have a dentist that does like them kind of things, cosmetic are not really the scientific kind of I don't know if I'm saying it right, then you get it, but they don't offer that at my dentist. So this is something that I'm gonna be getting, the Crest white strips, because I do get stains on my teeth and my dentist tells me, and this is from drinking tea. So if you drink tea, what's the recommended thing to do is to wash your mouth after drinking tea. Like, I didn't know the effect of, I didn't even know that tea could have that sort of effect on your teeth. Like, I drink the tea, good much, but no, it leaves that residue on your teeth and stains your teeth. So it's recommended that you wash your mouth after eating or drinking tea. And those are the 5 tips. I think 5 tips or 6. How many ever it is, those are some tips that you could do. These are some low budget tips that you could put in your routine to help you look high maintenance. Let me know if you guys tried any of these and if any of these were helpful. If you know anybody that this could help, go ahead and share the video, guys. Like the video, subscribe. I want to get to 3K subscribers. Go ahead and share the video. If you push it up, interact with the video, then YouTube will put it to more people, like on more people, for your pages, whatever it is. Thank you so much.